In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll walk through how to edit text in Canva so your designs look polished and consistent, even if you're just getting started. First, open your design in Canva. Once your project is on the screen, click the text you want to edit. You'll see a box appear around it, which means it's selected and ready to change. Now, type directly to update the words. This is the fastest way to fix typos, rewrite a headline, or personalize a template without digging through menus. When your text is selected, look to the top toolbar. To change the font, open the font drop-down and choose a style that matches your message. A clean, readable font works well for body text, while something more expressive can make a headline stand out. Keep your choices consistent across the design to create a clear visual hierarchy. Next, adjust the size. Click the font size menu and pick a number that fits your layout. Larger sizes make titles pop, while smaller sizes are better for supporting details. Aim for balance so the text doesn't overpower your images or leave too much empty space. To change the color, click the color icon and choose a color that complements your design. High contrast between text and background makes your words easier to read. If your background is busy, a solid contrasting text color will help it stand out. For emphasis, you can make text bold or italic by clicking the B or I on the toolbar. Bold is great for key phrases, while italics can add subtle differentiation. Keep in mind that some fonts don't support these styles, so you may need to switch fonts if the option is unavailable. To control how your text lines up, click Alignment and select Left, Center, or Right. Left-aligned text is often best for paragraphs, while centered text can give headlines a clean, balanced look. If your text feels cramped or too spread out, click Spacing and adjust the letter spacing and line spacing. A little extra line spacing can dramatically improve readability, especially for longer blocks of text. To curve your text or add visual flair, click Effects and choose an effect. Curved text can frame a logo or circle element nicely, while simple shadows can add depth without distraction. Finally, move your text by dragging it anywhere on the canvas. Position it where it supports the overall layout and guides the viewer's eye naturally. With these controls, you can fine-tune your design quickly and confidently.